లోక్సభ సమావేశాలు ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ లో చూద్దాం.
Recruitment should take up that also. They have not allowed that, and all the advocates in Telangana state and also in Andhra, they have already boycotted in the there is no work going on in the judiciary section. I request you to please interfere in this and see that immediately, with the immediate effect, bifurcation has to be taken up. They have already written a letter.
Yes.
Speaker, I fully share this.
Yes, Jitendra ji. Yes.
Speaker, in an extraordinary situation, Speaker has allowed the honourable member. I fully share the sentiment expressed by Sri Jitendra Reddy about the need for having separation of the High Court into Telangana High Court and Andhra Pradesh High Court. My colleague Sri Sadananda Gowda is already dealing with this matter, and it has to be agreed upon by the state government of Telangana, by the state government of Andhra Pradesh, and also by the Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh. So there is little sensitivity involved in this, but I fully share the sentiments. I will convey to the Honorable Minister and ask him to expedite the process to the extent possible from the central government side. As I told the Honorable Speaker, the states as well as the High Court also is involved in this. We will anyhow pursue the matter in as per the Act. It's there as very much in the Act, so we'll pursue it.
Thank you. There is Jitendra ji. Now it's over.
Madam,
Now it is over. No, you
just a minute. One line, madam.
Yes. Yes.
Madam, but the issue is, madam, I have raised this issue under 377, madam.
Yes.
The Honorable Law Minister was kind enough to reply me in detail, madam. The Honorable Law Minister had stated that
Now
the government of Andhra Pradesh State and the Chief Justice of Common High Court has not been received it. They are not responding. It's very unfortunate. Madam. 2 days back we met the Law Minister. He said that he can't do anything further. So, Honorable Parliament.
Ministry is already seized of the matter.
Okay. They have said no.
You made your point. You have got the letter of the Law Minister also. Let us not complicate the issue. We'll definitely let us try to resolve the issue at the earliest.
Now